In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add initiatives in Jira. To get started, open your Jira project and make sure you're on the main project view. From here, look for the three-dot menu next to the project name. This menu gives you access to additional project options, including the settings you'll need to create a new initiative work type. Click the three dots, then choose Space Settings. This will take you into the configuration area for the project space, where you can manage how work is organized and displayed. If you're setting up Jira for planning at a higher level, this is an important place to know because it's where you can customize the types of work your team tracks. Once you're in Space Settings, click Work Types. This section controls the different issue or work categories available in your project. Since an initiative usually represents a larger strategic effort, adding it here allows your team to track broader goals more clearly. Next, click Add Work Types. This opens the options for bringing a new work type into your project. From there, click Create Work Type to make a brand new one, rather than selecting an existing option. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the details for the new work type. Start by typing the name. In this case, you'll enter Initiative. Be sure to name it clearly so everyone on your team immediately understands its purpose. After that, type a description. This is a helpful place to explain what an initiative should represent in your workflow. A good description can make your Jira setup easier to use, especially for teammates who are new to the project or unfamiliar with your planning structure. Next, move to the icon section and click Change Icon. Jira lets you visually distinguish work types, which can make boards, lists, and planning views much easier to scan. After clicking Change Icon, select the icon you want to use for the initiative. Choose something that feels intuitive and easy to recognize at a glance. Once you've picked the icon, click Select to confirm your choice. Then review the information you entered, including the name, description, and icon, to make sure everything looks right. Finally, click Create. Your new initiative work type will now be added to the project, and you'll be able to use it when organizing larger pieces of work in Jira. That's all it takes to add initiatives in Jira. Once it's created, you can start using it to structure high-level goals and improve how your team tracks strategic work.